Today we're covering one of my favorite topics, which is attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is a very simple way to grow your business exponentially and quickly. Now, attraction marketing in its simplest form is attracting people to you or to your brand. It's a way to market yourself and your brand that's going to draw people to you. So this means there's no door knocking, there's no cold calling, or any type of marketing that has to do with you reaching out. So there's no outward bound marketing, which is a beautiful thing. Now, outbound marketing does have its place, but why would you rather not focus on attraction-based marketing, which draws people to you? Now, the key here that drives absolutely everything is providing valuable value, providing something up front in exchange for nothing. Provide something that is actually solving a problem. Now, the reason that I say provide valuable value is because there's a lot of perceived value out there. There's a lot of fake value out there that really doesn't help an individual. You absolutely have to be solving problems for people. That's how you make yourself and your brand attractive. That's how you're going to get people from all across the country and all across the world reaching out to you, regardless if there's a product or service that you're selling. People will reach out to you. Now, take this channel as an example. At the time of this recording, I have about 900 videos on this channel sharing real estate marketing strategies for real estate agents. I show you the exact ad copies, I show you the exact placements, I show you the exact post to make to generate business. So you could, in theory, take all of the information that I provide in this channel for absolutely free and not pay me a dime and go out there and make a ton of money. And a lot of you do, and that's the purpose of this channel altogether. But there's still plenty of you that reach out to me and want to use my services in some capacity, want to partner up with me at EXP, and want to work with me in some way, shape, and form. And that's the beauty of attraction marketing. I don't have to cold call. I don't have to door knock. I don't have to do outward marketing strategies that are actively trying to bring in business. I don't need to do that. So now they have a better grasp on what attraction marketing even is. Let's talk about some practical ways that you can actually provide valuable value to home buyers and home sellers so they can reach out to you. So for the next 30 days, focus on showing people the ins and outs of investing, the appropriate way to prepare your home for selling, how to save money for a down payment, how simple it is to increase credit scores, and how to sell a house by owner. These are all topics that actually provide valuable value. These are topics that will help your home buyers and home sellers alike. You're actually solving problems. These are all topics that will make you attractive. These are all topics that will have people reaching out to you. This is the correct way to deploy attraction marketing. This is how you get people to flock to you. Again, provide valuable value and see how quickly your business grows. Speaking of growth, if you wouldn't mind going down to the bottom of this video and hitting that subscribe button along with the notification bell, that's going to help this channel grow and reach more agents.